Alright people, welcome to my channel. My channel is Esperanto. Right, this night I one of the most beautiful restaurant right now is Mandate. We call that this restaurant here. We call that because just bird, that very awesome here. I myself with my friend here, my brother here, his name is Min. Just drink coffee. You know what? I think very truly awesome, very delicious but coffee. About Starbucks? This very truly awesome. When you will find that Starbucks from United States, you have paying that just only $25 or $5. But when you get here in Aceh, you have paying that just for 10,000 or 20,000. Now I'm going to promote this very totally awesome coffee. Alright, well, this is Aceh coffee. It's the most delicious, the most awesome coffee world right now. The very totally awesome. I myself now I have is promoting this to 5 countries: United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Africa, including Asia. This is very totally awesome. And then when you get Aceh, it's very totally easy to get this coffee because it's very not round leg. It's not round leg. This coffee like very truly shift. It's not like round leg. But in Aceh, when you got this cup of coffee only, you need to pay just round leg. Round leg very truly expensive. Yeah, it's not have a pay. It's only 25,000 or 30,000. But only sometime I have to pay 20,000. It's very truly expensive here. Round leg, but durable but. So don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel because my YouTube channel just promoting at the 5 countries: United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Asia, Africa, Europe. This very truly is invite a lot of tourists together. Alright, tata for now. Thank you for watching my videos.